Hi guys, so I'm at Cosrx India's event. They are launching here by Limese and I'm with Tanya Loku.
Hi, Beauty by Tanya.
So yeah, I'm just gonna give you a glimpse of how this is. So yeah, let's get started.
Speaking to yourself, being mindful in today's session, now gently bring your attention.
Too low pH and too salicylic. There's a ATM right now in the building.
I don't even know. 3000 BC is what's mentioned here, but I'm sure it is way before that. And the sort of products, and apparently Egyptians and even Chinese use henna, even in those days. So I think this has been there for a very very long time. So since all of you have been into products, did you know what the skin is and what are the different layers of the skin? You had an idea, right? So the basic in any dermatologist would. But what I suggest is, of course, makeup removal with cleansers, because a lot of us use makeup, and that's fine, because I feel that if you feel like there's something that might enhance your feature, go ahead and do it, right? I mean, it's perfectly okay. Face wash, toner, moisturizer, sunscreen, extremely important to prevent that extrinsic aging, which is very much in our hands. Okay, I've kept that as a question mark. Let's guess if you can guess it by the end of the session, alright? And I want to glow, and I used to be like, oh my god, now what do I do, I don't know how to give a glow, because, so if I ask you what is the definition of glow, can you define glow?
Tell you, snail mucin may sound a little bit freaky at first, but there actually are very many benefits to snail mucin if you do it in your skincare routine in the right way. Snail mucin is a great ingredient that can recover your skin, that can regenerate your skin cells. Because snail mucin is also great for calming and moisturizing the skin, I even recommend it for people with sensitive skin types. And I do want to mention, before I go on any further, we are a 100% cruelty-free brand. No snails are harmed in the process. I will explain a little bit more about how we get the snail mucin from the snails. No, we don't. This is because, for one, for convenience. Because when you travel, it's very hard to take all of your liquid type, toners and essences and all those products. So we made it simple and easy for you to take it in one step to take care of your skin in a very easy way.
And I think we're very hard on ourselves, especially when we're dieting. ये नहीं खाना है, वो नहीं खाना है, ये नहीं खाना है. अरे खाओ, क्योंकि आप ये नहीं खाना है, वो नहीं खाना है, जिंदगी भर करने वाले हो. Are you never going to eat a cake in your life? Are you never going to eat a biscuit in your life? Come on, you're being so unrealistic, right? I'll get to that eventually. I'll show you how. Now, when to eat is more important.